So we have the mixing bowl where we're gonna put the bananas. So in making the oatmeal cookie, we included the leftover bananas we have in our table. Then we started mashing it. Mash, mash, mash. Okay. Okay, you can use actually a spoon or fork, guys, if you don't have this one, pang mash. Okay. So, we just make sure na ma-mash talaga siya. Totally. By the way, you can use any bananas. If you don't have bananas and if you have kamote or sweet potato at home, you can use it too. So after this, after we mashed it, we put the salt, the cinnamon powder instead of vanilla extract because cinnamon has a nice smell as well. And then we added the leftover oatmeals that we have last night para hindi siya sayang. Okay. So, yeah, after putting it all together, mix it together na naman. Well, merong background yung voiceover ko, guys. Anyway, yeah, mix it. Good. So, this time, we'll put the raw honey. Yan. Instead of using brown sugar or white sugar, it would be better if you use raw honey, guys, because it's not that really sweet. Katamtaman lang siya. And it's even healthier than using white sugar or brown sugar. But, of course, if you don't have this raw honey, well, you can use what you have at home, brown sugar or white sugar. Then, we added the oatmeal here. Kasi it's a little bit watery when we added the raw honey, guys. So, yun. Just to make it not so watery, make it sticky. Sticky. Nako naman. Yeah, so we added the oatmeal, guys. And then, of course, we added also hot water. Why? Because it will make the oatmeal at least partly cook. Yeah. Instant oatmeal kasi yung ginagamit natin or ginamit natin. That's why we use hot water. And then, since it's too water, parang nasubraan. Okay, sa Bisaya pa. Okay, so we added again another half cup of oatmeal. Yan. So just mix it and mix it. I think it's not enough again. So actually, guys, it depends po sa inyo yung measurement. So yeah, just like this, what happened sa ginawa, parang too much water na lagay namin. So I keep adding oatmeal kasi it's still watery. We wanted kasi here na medyo sticky na yung oatmeal natin for our cookies. That's why, nauutal ako. Ano ba ito? So, yun. I just added 1/3 cup of oatmeal. Yan. I think, and then, we will let it sit, for minutes para ma-absorb, ma-cook a little bit sa hot water yung oatmeal. This time, we will prepare our tin pan. Since we don't have a paper baking, so we will use an oil to make a little bit greasy yung tin pan natin na lalagyan ng cookies. Okay. So, ganyan lang ang gagawin. And then, we will start putting the raw cookies or unbaked cookies. We'll see later on how it will look like. Yeah. Just add and add and add more. Ganito lang. You don't need a molder. You can use a spoon actually, or this one, a spatula. Small spatula. Okay, ganyan lang, guys. maximize what you have at home. That's the technique. And para hindi naman plain siya na ganyan lang, we will add something. We will put toppings. And we use prunes. Yun. It's a dates, guys.
Hello guys, let's bake. Guys, it's done. Let's get it. Guys, let's taste our cookies. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.